The United Kingdom, Canada, and the United States combined have the largest number of citizens in the diaspora. Jamaicans in New York recently launched their slate of Jamaica 50 activities. How about we check that out?
Work is over, now is evening time. With a walk on mountain, the walk on mountain, the walk on mountain side.
I congratulate you wholeheartedly on this occasion and wish you all the very best as together we celebrate the best. That is Jamaica, land we love.
An evening of music and culture adorned the gathering of Jamaicans in the Big Apple as they launched their series of activities in celebration of our Golden Jubilee.
Jamaica woman connoisseur. It's how them gin also. Look how long them liberated and the man them never know.
The festivities will include a church service, a Jamaica Day celebration at Grand Central Station, a flag-raising ceremony, literary series, book signing, and various other commemorative events across the city.
Happy birthday, dear Jamaica. 1, 2, 3.
Join me as I launch Jamaica 50. We will go forward with all the celebrations, with all the vigor and all the strength that I know existed in 1962.
What do national hero, the Right Excellent Norman Washington Manley, and the sporting icon, the Honorable Herb McKinley, have in common? Well, apart from their stellar contribution to the island's development before and after independence, both men recently had fresh monuments unveiled in their honor. McKinley was part of the 4x400 meter team that won gold at the 1952 Olympics. In addition to other individual medals won at various sporting competitions, he also contributed to Jamaica's rich sporting tradition through his involvement in all levels of the country's athletic program. To celebrate his 90th birthday on July 10, a monument was unveiled at his burial site in the National Heroes Park.
We are part of a lifelong glorious adventure filled with the memories and the awesomeness of greats like Herb McKinley. May the candles on your cake of legacy never go out.
He has blazed a trail that has left an indelible mark for others to follow. And today, our development in many spheres of national life bears testimony to his pioneering efforts.
Most of us know of Norman Washington Manley as a pivotal political figure in pre- and post-independent Jamaica. But how many know of his work in helping to craft an aviation policy for the country? Now, users of the airport named in his honor will have an artistic representation of him with the unveiling of a bust mounted in tribute to the national hero. Haven't yet gotten your Jamaica 50 commemorative items? You can purchase your Jamaica 50 pin-off bride from us here at the JIS, as well as our just released photo album. And just in case you can't make it to us, here's a list of the other locations that you can get your pin and other products. Remember, for all your Jamaica 50 information, call or visit the Jamaica 50 Secretariat or check out jamaica50.com or jis.gov.jm.